Y'all ready to go build something today?
Yes,
boy. Hello and welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we'll be building 2 ladders. I want to thank everyone for supporting the channel and all the work that we do. Here you see me putting carpet on each individual step. Each step is cut out of a 2x6 and is 2 foot long. I'm using 1-inch flathead coil nails. Everything out and screw it all together. The ladder runners are made up of 2 2x6 by 12 foot boards. Here you'll see my brother waving at the camera. Now that the first one is done, we work on the second one. And we went ahead and decided to make 2 extra steps just in case we ended up needing them. Now that we're done, it's time to load them up. After driving it down, it's time to secure it to the deck. This one took a lot more driving. We will attach it using screws and lag bolts. And now I finish off both ladders by cutting the top. Get the old ladders loaded up. And that is a job complete. Thank you for watching the video, and please make sure to like and subscribe. These ladders are ready for many summer days to come.
Yes, boy.